Good morning, my dear students, again with our third unit of inquiry, sharing the plan. So here we'll start with fraction of part of a set. As we can all see, we have different colors of plates. They are divided into different groups. The first one here is asking me to find out how many groups do we have. So the set of plates are divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Each group has how many plates? 4. Excellent. The fraction of the blue plates is 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups from 4 groups. So 3/4 of the plates group are blue. The fraction of the yellow plates is 1 group from 4 groups, so it's 1/4. How many blue plates do we have? We studied before. If I have the same number repeated several times, I use multiplication. Here I have 3 groups. Each group has 5 plates. So that's 3 groups times 5 plates equal 15 plates in total in blue. Moving to the next slide, I have here one set of basketballs, another set of soccer balls, basketballs again, and here I have the whole amount. As we can all see, how many here groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of balls. Some of them are soccer, some are basketballs, and some are American footballs. So the fraction of the basketballs is 3 groups from 6 groups. The fraction of the soccer balls, as we can see, they are 2 groups from 6 groups. Now we have how many American football? It's 1 group times 4 American footballs inside. So it's 1 times 4 equal to 4. So how many balls in total do we have? We have 6 groups. Each group has 4 balls. So I have 6 times 4, which is equal to 24 balls in total. Next slide here. Jerry had 15 granola bars. 2/3 of them were eaten by his friends. How many granola bars did his friends eat? Find 2/3 of 15 to find how many granola bars his friends ate. As we can see, they are divided into 3 units. Each unit has 5 granola bars. So, in order to find the total number of the granola bars, I'll multiply the 3 by the 5 will give me 15 granola bars. The 1 unit or the 1 group will give me 5 granola bars. So the 2 units that his friends ate are 2 times 5, which is equal to 10. So 2/3 of the 15 is equal to 10 as well. And his friends ate 10 as well. Next slide here. I have here complete. The 1 is equal to 5 or what? Always remember, the 1 is always equal to a fraction that has same value for the numerator and the denominator. A fraction which its numerator is equal to its denominator. So if the numerator is 5, the denominator has to be 5. If the denominator is 7, the numerator has to be 7 in order to find the value of this fraction is 1, or the quotient is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to what? Any number over the same number, for example, 9/9. 4 divided what will give me 2? Ask myself, 2 times what is equal to 4? It's 2. 6 divided what is equal to 3? Ask yourself, 3 times what is equal to 6? 2. Now 2 is equal to what over 4? I always know that the bigger number that I divide here comes up, and that these small numbers, when I multiply them together, they will give me the numerator. So in order to find the numerator given the denominator and the quotient, I'll multiply the 2 by the 4, or the quotient by the denominator, to find out the numerator. So 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Now let's imagine and make sure whether if this is correct or wrong. I have 8 candies and I will distribute them among my friends. First, I will give each one of them one candy. I will still have 4 more, so I will give each one of them again 1 more. So each one will take 2. So yes, 8 divided 4 is equal to 2. Here I said, in order to find the numerator, multiply the quotient by the denominator. 2 times 5 is equal to 10, so 2 is equal to 10 over 5. 2 times 6 is equal to 12, so 2 is equal to 12 over 6. Write 2 fractions that show each of these whole numbers. 4. I need to recall table 4. 4 times 1 is equal to 4, times 2 is equal to 8, times 3 is equal to 12. So I can say that this 4 is equal to 4 divided 1, or this 4 as well is equal to 8 divided 2, or this 4 is equal to 12 divided 3, or 16 divided 4. Now let's make sure from these. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. Amazing. 4 times 4, 16. Moving to the 9, let's recall table 9. I write 0 from the top to the bottom. Then I write from the bottom to the top, from 0 to 9 again. Here I have table 9. That's 9 times 1 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have that 9 is equal to 54 over 6. Because if I multiply the 9 by the 6, it will give me 54. Now let's move here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I notice from here that 63 over 7 will give me 9. Moving to 72, which is 9 times 8. So I will say that 72 divided 8 is equal to 9. If I stopped at the 3, which is 27, so 27 divided 3 is equal to 9 as well. 45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45 divided 5 is equal to 9. What about here? What about taking the 18? This 18 is 9 times 2. So if I said 18 divided 2 will give me 9. Thank you. That's it for today. Thank you.